In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table view in Notion. Open Notion and go straight to your workspace. I'm assuming you're already logged in, so once you land on the main dashboard, head to the page where you want the table to appear. On a new line, type /table, then press enter. This is the fastest way to bring up Notion's table options in the fresh 2026 interface. Right after that, you can use the search bar if you want to quickly find the type of table setup you need. From the menu that appears, choose Table View. This tells Notion you want your information displayed in a structured table format, which is great for tracking projects, content, tasks, or just organizing data in a clean way. Next, you'll be given a choice. You can click New Database if you want to start from scratch with a completely fresh table. Or you can select an existing database if you already have one and just want to create a table view linked to it. A new database is best if this is a brand new setup, while linking an existing one is useful when your data already lives somewhere else in Notion. Once the table appears, you can start customizing it. Click the plus icon at the top right of the table to add new columns, also called properties. This is where you can define what kind of information each column should hold, like a select field for status, a date field for deadlines, a person field for assignments, or files and media for attachments. Adding the right properties early makes the table much easier to use later. To enter information, click any cell in the table and start typing. If you want to add more detail to a row, click Open. That expands the row into its own page, where you can include longer notes, images, or even subpages. This is one of the most useful parts of Notion tables because each row can hold much more than just a single line of text. You can also adjust how the table looks. Click the three-dot menu in the top right of the table to open display options. From there, you can turn on wrap cells so longer text shows fully, or adjust show title depending on how you want row names to appear. To organize your data, use the filter and sort controls at the top of the table. These let you quickly arrange entries by things like date, status, or category, and help keep the table easy to scan as it grows. Once you've done that, your table view is created and saved in your current workspace. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And that's basically it. You've successfully created a table view in Notion using the 2026 interface. Congratulations, and now you can keep building on it as your workspace grows.